What up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Victor, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GIM $10 CPU cooler. Now, this is a 120mm fan, and it does offer RGB, but I think it's programmed into it. So it's a 4-pin PWM connector with a 90-watt TDP, and it does work with Intel and AMD. And we're going to be going over the unboxing as well as installation and see what this has to offer for only $10. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please ensure you guys take your time to subscribe, like, and share. Also comment below if you guys have any questions on this. And we're going to be moving on to the unboxing, and then we're going to do an installation. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. So now, upon getting this in the mail, I remember that it was only a $10 CPU cooler and what it had to offer. The box is pretty nicely packed, so there's no shaking inside. Remember, this is a $10 CPU cooler that offers pretty much everything you need for just $10. Now, they do offer an installation guide that comes with it, so it does help you step by step, picture by picture on how to install this. So they make that process pretty easy. They also include in the box thermal paste, and the screws and the bracket are all plastic, so just remember that. But it is a $10 CPU cooler. Taking a better look at the CPU cooler fan. The branding on it says Ice Tech, but it's sold by GIM on Amazon. The design is more of a bowl style design with 120mm fan at the top, and it does has RGB around the fan, not in the middle. Don't worry about this thermal paste on the sticker. I did that myself. It did not come like that. The installation is more of a clip-on style like AMD has. So you just basically clip on one side and then you clip on the other side, and that's pretty much it. Now, this is your only connector that your CPU fan will come with. Is a 4-pin PWM. Back to the installation guide. Now, I just want you guys to take a quick second so you guys can see how easy and simple the installation would be on this CPU fan. Considering this is a $10 CPU cooler, they do provide you with a thermal paste if you don't have any, as well as the screws are plastic. So this is where you start to see why this is only $10. And the bracket is also plastic. So you have to be extremely careful when you're going to install this, that you just don't break something and it just throws you off and you can't even get the job done. As we jump into the installation process, remember that the side with the numbers on the bracket is for Intel, and the side with no numbers will be for AMD. One of the downsides to the CPU cooler in this design is that once it's on your motherboard and you're trying to occupy all 4 RAM slots, it won't allow you to do that due to the fact that it sticks out too much to the side and it takes space where the RAM stick would go. So if you're planning on occupying all 4 RAM slots, this CPU cooler is not for you. When it comes to cooling temps, this is the best I could do for you guys right now, and I do apologize. It's been sitting at 37°C the whole entire time, and the fan has been pretty much quiet, but it is sitting in BIOS, so I do apologize for that, guys. Guys, this is gonna be the video, and if you guys are new here, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, as well as let me know what you guys think about the video in the comments below. See you guys on the next one.